What it do? It's your boy, CJ, the motherfucking Mac. You know, I'm right here at the plantation. About to crack about this motherfucker though, man. I'm ready to go. I had a nice, hard days of work, which is easy work. I love what I do. It's nothing. But you know, this shit ain't hard. It's real cool, man. You know what I mean? Love what you do and do what you love, man. This shit is nothing. But, you know, this is my shit. It's your boy shit, man. You know what I'm saying? Well, I sharpen my tungsten. Right here. You know what I'm saying? That's my shit right here. Got my beat right there. Stay busy, beating all motherfucking day. That's my machine. Pop my machine on. So this song what we working at right now. For those who know what it is. 123, man. 123. We on DC negative right now. You know what I mean? Pig mode. It's a Miller right here if you didn't know. You know what I'm saying? That's where my soccer rods is. That's where my rods is. I'm gonna bust these rods out. Booyah. All different sizes for different gauges. You know what I mean? Traveler up here. For those who don't know, a traveler is where I get my information from while I build up what I build. My tank right here. Make sure this motherfucker off, because that's what we do. You know what I'm saying? My clamps. Got a cool little station, man. It's my shelf. I put all my shit up there. You know what I mean? Got all my pipes and shit. I dust them down, build them up. You know what I'm saying? I got some shit right here on the floor. You know what I'm saying? All kind of little shit, little paperwork and shit, little chrome and shit. You know, it's my partner over there. He's bumping that Dash Dillinger pour up. You know, he keeps you gangster at all times. It's my board right here. You know what I'm saying? That's what I do right here. Take my measurements down, make sure everything is right, leveled. Measuring tape. Motherfucking welding mask. You know what I'm saying? Oh, charger flag. Keep it 1,000 with it, nigga. I win, lose, or draw, I rep. You know what I mean? Especially with all these raiders up in here. There's a lot of raiders up in here, man. They're everywhere. But yeah, you know, it's little shit I made. It's my granny right here. Love her to death. She probably don't think so. But she right here with me, posted up. It's little shit I make, man. Bored with myself. Got my tools over here in this corner. You know what I mean? Toolbox and shit. Little snap on or something. Oh man, a little video, man, showing the world my shit. Tools up in here and shit. Yeah. My shit up in here. Other little shit. Fuck yeah, homie. Got all it done, homie. My shit up in this toolbox too. Okay, got some little shit up in here. Shit I can look at. Nothing really in that motherfucker. You know what I'm saying? I keep my shit nice, though. I keep my shit nice, man. You know, that's what my daddy told me, nigga. I don't give a damn what you're doing, boy. Keep shit nice, shit. Motherfuckers look at that. So that's what I do. Make sure my shit is cooked up and ready to go for a class. You know what I mean? This is it right here, man. My little boots. You know, your boy. But I ain't working with these suckers, I'm gonna work with myself, you know? But it's about that time for me to get up on out of here, you know what I mean? I'll probably post y'all up another little video or something else different. You know what I'm saying? Who knows? But fuck with me though, I'm out. CJ the Mac. It's good.